student? This is the question GATE 2004, 2 marks. What is the question say? Consider two process P1 and P2 accessing the shared variable x and y protected by two binary semaphore x and xy. There are two binary semaphore x and sy. Both are initialized to 1 and P denote the wait operation and V denote the signal operation. Getting my point? And P decrement the value of semaphore value and V increment the semaphore value. The pseudo code for P1 and P2 are given below. In order to avoid deadlock, the correct operation at L1, L2, L3, L4 are respectively. Getting my point? So before solving this question, I want to tell the execution sequence. What is the possibility of execution? There are various possibility. First one is serial. That will say imandari, ya you can execute in serial way. What is the serial way? Ki first process P1 execute, then P2 execute. Ya first P2 execute, then P1 execute. This is the serial way. Now you can execute also concurrent. Concurrent means L1 first line of P1, first line of P3, second line of P1, second line of P2, or L1, L3, L4, L2, next L3, L1, L4, L2, or L3, L1, L2, L4. These are the 6 combination execution sequence. If any one of this combination deadlock occur, then you can say system is in deadlock. Yeah, these processes are said to be in deadlock. If none of the execution sequence make a deadlock, then you can say this is my correct answer. Getting my point? So we'll check all these sequence. We'll take the option A, PSY, PSX, PSX, PSY. Getting my point? Here x and y is 1. When we execute sequentially, you can see here 1 to 0 and 1 to 0, that is successful down, you can enter it. But when we execute in a concurrent way, what will happen? First we execute line number 1 PSY, that make y 1 to 0 and this make x 1 to 0. When you execute L2, then xx is 0. When you perform the down on 0, then you are getting block. Getting my point? And when you perform the down on 0, you are getting block, and block or block, deadlock. Clear? So option A, there is a deadlock occur when we execute in concurrent way. Now we take the option B, PSX, PSY, PSY, PSX. This make a value of Sx 1 to 0, this make a value of Sy 1 to 0. Now x and y semaphore, Sx and Sy semaphore are 0. On 0, whenever you perform the down operation, that is unsuccessful, means the process is blocked. Now y is 0, when you perform down on 0, that block, and when x is 0, 0 पे down किया तो block, block or block, deadlock. So this is option also, make a deadlock. Next, here you can see Sx, Sx, Sy, Sy. When you execute in this sequential way, ये तो sequential में deadlock आ जाएगा आपका 1 to 0. You know ना what is the basic concept of wait और signal. वेट का आप चाहे बाइनरी बात करें चाहे काउंटिंग, जो लास्ट टर्मिनेटिंग है, अगर वैल्यू 1 है और आपने डाउन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया है तो 0 इट इज सक्सेसफुल, और जैसे वैल्यू 0 है और आपने डाउन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया है, इट इज ब्लॉक फॉर बाइनरी और सस्पेंड या नेगेटिव इन काउंटिंग. दैट इज द मूल मंत्रा ऑफ बाइनरी सीमाफोर और काउंटिंग सीमाफोर वेट ऑपरेशन, कि 0 पे अगर आप डाउन करोगे दैट इज ब्लॉक्ड फॉर बाइनरी और सस्पेंड या नेगेटिव फॉर काउंटिंग सीमाफोर, और 1 to 0 ऑलवेज सक्सेसफुल. मीन्स if counting semaphore is equal to +4, you can perform 4 successful down operation, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 0, and after that 0 to -1, -1 to -2, -2 to -3, -3 to -4, -4 to -5 means -5 means 5 process already in suspended list for a counting semaphore, and for a binary semaphore this is like a lock, unlock, 1 to 0 successful, 0 to block. Now we'll see the option C, 1 to 0, 0 to block, and SY 1 to 0, 0 to block. That is not also correct. Then we'll take this option also, PSX, PSY, PSX, PSY. You can execute all possible combination, all these possible combination, and check either deadlock occur or not. When you execute sequentially, either P1 followed by P2 or P2 followed by P1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, enter. After executing, signal is given to SX and SY. Then we try for P2, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, enter. After processing, signal is given. Now we'll check concurrent sequence. First we execute this one, we start from P1, SX is 1 to 0, now value of that is successful, now the value of SX is 0, then you perform the down on 0, then you are getting block. Clear? If it is block on L3, then it will not execute the L4, because आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी भी चीज़ के आपके 3 गेट है, अगर आपको गेट फर्स्ट पे रोक दिया गया तो यू कैन नॉट प्रोसीड फर्दर मोर. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अगर आप लेवल 1 पे आउट हो चुके हैं तो आप आगे लेवल पे नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो यहाँ आपका ये ब्लॉक हो गया. नाउ P1 रिमेन अनब्लॉक एंड Y ऑफ SY इज 1, 1 to 0. It continue. After performing, it gives signal. So either P1 or P2 will continue. Getting my point? If we start from P1. Now what happen if we start from P2? That is 1 to 0. Now SX is 0. This become block and this remain continue 1 to 0. So D is the right answer, and this is the Mool Mantra. Again I explain what is the, wherever the value of S1 you perform the down, then value become 0 and it is successful down operation. But when the value is 0 or you perform down, then process blocked for binary or suspend for a counting semaphore. Getting my point? So in this, D is the right answer. SX and SY are the two binary semaphore. If we assume P means wait and V means signal, to process P1 and P2 take alternate, then there is a no chance of deadlock. All three options in A, B, C deadlock occur, but in D deadlock not occur. What is the reason? Both are in their respective first line execute the down operation on same semaphore. If process P1 execute first, then P2 block. If P2 execute first, then P1 block. Another line, in another line we execute SY semaphore. Getting my point? So that is the reason कि option D does not have deadlock. Clear? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.